Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how the image is formed by concave lens. We people know that concave lens is also called as diverging lens because after incident the ray are diverged. So definitely they will not never meet. Really they will not meet. But when we extend the diverging rays, they will appear to meet. So definitely we can say that image will be always virtual. So virtual image is formed in case of concave lens. So there are only two possibilities when the object is at infinite distance. And second position is what when object is placed between infinite and any distance from optical center. Okay. So we are just going to understand this two ray diagram one by one. So first when object is placed at infinite distance. So here first of all I am presenting concave lens. This is what optical center, right? Now here we are just marking F and 2F just for sake of simplicity, and object is placed at infinite distance, very far practically. Okay, so if the object is at infinite distance, very far, then the rays which are incident parallel to principal axis, they become they are parallel to principal axis. Okay, so here we think of a set of rays which are incident parallel to principal axis. A set of four rays we are thinking of. Okay, and we people know that when the ray is incident in the direction of principal axis, it will emerge out without any deviation. But these four rays which are incident parallel to principal axis, they will diverge. Okay, these are the incident rays. Now they will diverge, but diverge in what manner? They will not diverge in any direction. They will diverge in such a way that when you extend, it will pass to the focus point. And you people know this is one of the possible important point you people have to remember. When the light ray is incident parallel to principal axis, it will either meet or appear to meet at focus point. Okay, so this ray is diverged. This incident ray is diverged in this direction, but when you extend the ray, it will meet at focus point. Like that here, when you think of this will diverge in this manner, but when you extend the ray, it will meet at focus point. Okay, this also will meet at focus point. You people know that. So here also you can think of the ray which are diverged in this manner, right? So this is the way you people can explain, where you people can understand this diverging ray. When you extend in backward direction, definitely they meet at one point, and that is focus point. So definitely what we can say, image is formed at focus point. What kind of image is formed? They are appear to meet. Okay, extended rays are meeting, that means virtual image is formed. Virtual के साथ हमेशा इरेक्ट होता है, लेकिन जो साइज मिलेगा that is very diminished, highly diminished, या point like image. So when we think about the nature and position of image form, for the first position in case of concave lens, you can say the image is formed on F. What kind of image is formed? Virtual and erect and highly diminished, a point like image is formed. Okay, so these are what the nature of the image formation by concave lens when the object is at infinite distance. Now let us consider the second possible position of an object. So here object is in between So this is what a concave lens, optical center, we are marking F and 2F. Here also you can mark for simplicity F and 2F, right? Now if the object is placed anywhere between infinity to optical center, so let us consider near to this 2F, little beyond 2F, when object is placed, let's say object is AB, which is placed beyond 2F, okay, where the image is formed. So for that we need minimum 2 rays. The first incident ray is parallel to principal axis as usual, which will diverge in this manner, and when we extend the rays we will meet at focus point, right? So this is what diverging ray, and this is extended backward direction ray. Now second ray, if we think about the ray is passing from the optical center, when the second incident ray is passing from the optical center, okay, without deviation, without reflection, it will emerge out, right? But when you extend this ray, these two extended rays are meeting at one point, and that is nothing but the position of an image. So image is formed A dash B dash. But one point is to be understood, that whatever position of an object between infinity to optical center, the image always form between O and F only, optical center and focus point only, and that is diminished image. Okay, so keep it in mind. Even if you keep the object between F and 2F, the image is formed between O and F only, diminished image. Okay, right? So for the image property, image nature, we can say the image कैसा diminished image form where between optical center and focus point. लेकिन नेचर कैसा होगा, वर्चुअल and erect. So virtual and erect image is formed, लेकिन कैसा, highly diminished between O and F for concave lens. These are the image array diagram for the concave lens. Thank you.